Alright everyone, it's Rincon Steve at our property here that we've been working on for a while. I know I haven't been on video for a while either. We've been away. But we finally got this together and put it up for sale. Taking down the for sale sign now. We went under agreement yesterday. So I just want to take you one final walkthrough. Okay, so let me just take you through. This is our final showing of what we've done here. We've got everything together, painted, cleaned, and I don't remember exactly the things that we talked about and what we didn't, but just a quick rundown. We'll start here in the furnace room. We know we got a brand new water heater, furnace, AC, installed by professionals. And then going into our bathroom, now that this is all done. Of course, you saw the video on the vanity. Added new medicine cabinet, lights. We redid made the ceiling a little smoother. Added the fan, new vinyl window. Of course, we painted the room up. New doors on the linen shelves. Remember, they were like some kind of particle board. They looked pretty bad. Going into the front room, not a whole lot done here other than paint. Of course, we added blinds and a closet, cleaned this up, sprayed it up, and best part, added lights. Of course, smoke detectors, wired smoke detectors, very important. Got those included, and in this case we added a carbon monoxide sensor. Back bedroom, kind of the same thing. Of course, all new tile floor throughout. Cleaned up this closet, added the light, added shelf there. This hallway, this had some kind of funky texture. We smoothed that. We smoothed the ceiling. Of course, we reworked all the trim. Doors especially, they were funky textured. Added coaxial here for wall-mounted TV. Added place for fan. And again, painted the living room. Moving into the kitchen, where all the work was done. You see this finished product. Got our refrigerator finally delivered, installed. Look at how nicely that all flushed out. My math was good. Same thing here. So, and then we've got our range installed with our installed microwave vent. This has really got some nice venting. Super, they call it fan boost. And of course we added our under cabinet lights, which to me is a big deal when you're working in the kitchen. All right, let's go outside. Got our sticker, super secure door. Remember, we redid our shed. We took out all that funky walls, added that partition. This was dirt for some reason, so we poured concrete here, a little ramp here, and of course cleaned up all the mess that was back here. Let me take you into the storage shed. Didn't do a whole lot with this space, just kind of cleaned it up, fixed the drywall. You remember it was just, I mean, it still is funky, a lot of texture, but even here you see there's a crack. Because I didn't hang it, I don't know how they did, I just patched it. Of course there were doors here, we took those doors out. Just kind of got the electrical consolidated and 2 switches. And of course this is probably the best part, the laundry. We have a place for stackable. It had a washer here before. We just added the newly painted walls. I added this cabinet. This came out of another place. It just happened, actually I framed this wall to fit that cabinet and a washer dryer. As you see, the original wall probably stopped there, which is a little raised, so I just left it as is, moved this wall, put this wall where it went. But yeah, so that works. And here we are in the backyard. Just wanted to give you an overview how it all turned out. As you can see, we didn't put the patio back, but I do have the bricks there. And we went under agreement yesterday, so my plan was to do it, but people are willing to buy it as it is. That's fine with me. But I think in general it turned out pretty good. When you think about how bad this backyard looked, that's beautiful. Anyway, this is Rincon Steve finally finishing this project. We hope you enjoyed the journey here, and stay tuned for another project.